Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Truist Rewards card and claim points, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your rewards benefits. Step 1. Visit the Truist Bank website at truist.com or download the Truist mobile app from your device's app store. Step 2. Log into your Truist online banking account using your username and password. If you're a new customer, complete the online banking enrollment process first. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts or Credit Cards section of your dashboard. Locate your new Truist Rewards card in the list of accounts. Step 4. Select your rewards card and look for the activation button or link. Click it to begin the activation process. Step 5. Enter the required information to verify your identity and activate your card. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 6. Review the Truist Rewards program terms and conditions. Understand how points are earned, their value, and the available redemption options. Step 7. Set up your rewards account preferences, including whether you want to receive notifications about special earning opportunities or redemption promotions. Step 8. Browse the rewards catalog to see what's available for redemption, such as travel, cashback, gift cards, or merchandise. Start using your activated card immediately to begin earning points on your purchases and track your progress through the online portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.